Everyone, welcome back to in this video. Let's start with the biggest mistake most NCA aspirant makes. Treating NCA like traditional university exam. This happen very commonly, especially among students come from India or other countries where education is heavily theory based. Student usually prepare using the same method they used in law school: memorization, long handwriting notes, and massive passive reading for hours. But NCA is completely different. NCA is testing how much information you can remember. It is testing whether you can think like a lawyer, identify legal issue, and apply legal principle logically to practical situations. That is a major shift. Examiners are not impressed by long theoretical answers. What they actually want is structured IRAC based writing, clear legal reasoning, and a practical problem solving ability. And this is why many students study for months but still perform poorly. Their exam preparation style itself is wrong. So the first step towards success is challenging your approach from memorization to legal analysis. Now let's discuss another major mistake: ignoring answer writing practice. Many students spend hug amount of time reading material, watching lecture, and making notes. But when it comes to writing actually answers under exam condition, and they practice very little, and that's become a serious problem because knowing the law and expressing the law effectively are two completely different skill. NCA exam require you to identify legal issues quickly, apply legal rules logically, and write structured conclusions under time pressure. Initially, many students know the concept but struggle to organize their thoughts clearly. That's why answer writing practice is so important. And here's a hidden inside: writing practice doesn't just improve writing, it improves speed, confident, analytical thinking, and even understanding of the subject itself. Passive study alone is not enough for NCA success. You must train yourself to think and write like an examiner expects. Now let's talk about a very common planning mistake. Take too many subjects together. Many students register for 5 or even 6 subjects in their first cycle. Why? Because they believe more subject meaning faster completion. But in reality, this strategy often backfire. When you overload yourself, revision become weak, writing practice suffers, stress increase, and burnout become very common. Student then enter the exam with incomplete preparation and low confidence. The smarter approach for most beginner is much similar. Start with 2 to 3 subject, understand the NCA patterns, build confidence, and then gradually increase your load if needed. Remember this clearly: reattempting failed subjects usually wastes fast more time than taking a balanced load from the beginning. So strategic planning is always better than emotional planning. Now let's address one of the biggest misconceptions about NCA exam. Many students think the exam is an open book, so I can just search everything during the paper. But this is a dangerous misunderstanding. Yes, NCA exam are open book, but the problem is time. The question are long, analytical, and application based. If you spend too much time searching through notes, you will struggle to complete the paper properly. Smart students use open book material differently. They prepare short summaries, well organized notes tabs, and indexed for quick access. Most importantly, they already understand the concept before the exam begins. Their notes are only quick reference tools, not substitutes for preparation. So remember this golden rule: notes should support your thinking, not replace it. Now let's discuss another major issue: poor time management during exam. This is one of the most common reasons student loss marks. Many students spend too much time trying to perfect one answer. As a result, they rush the remaining questions or leave sections incomplete. Incomplete paper automatically reduce your scoring potential. A smarter strategy is balanced time allocation. Before writing, quickly plan your answer structure, then divide your time properly across all questions. In NCA exam, balanced performance matters more than perfection in one answer. Here's an important insight: a complete paper with reasonable strong answer usually score better than one excellent answer and multiple weak or incomplete ones. So, time management is not just a technical skill, it is a part of exam strategy. Now let's talk about another mistake students often ignore: not analyze past papers properly. Many students study large amount of material without understanding what topics repeat, how questions are framed, or what examiner actually reward. This create inefficient preparation. NCA examiner reward application of law, structured reasoning, and relevant legal analysis. But many students continue writing descriptive textbook style answer, and those answers usually score poorly. One of the smartest preparation technique is regularly reviewing past papers because patterns repeat. You start understanding which topic appear frequently, how factual scenario are structured, and how answers should be organized. Past papers help you study strategically instead of randomly. Now let's discuss something psychologically: fear of attempting exam. Many students keep positioning their attempts because they feel they are not fully ready. They continue preparing endlessly and wait for the perfect moment. But the reality is nobody ever feel completely ready, and excessive delay usually create more problem. Anxiety increase, confidence decrease, and the NCA journey become longer and more stressful. Uh, Here's the expert inside: confidence does not come before action. Confidence develop after repeated action. Student usually improve much faster once they start actually attempting exam and learning from the process. So don't let fear create unnecessary delay. Consistent action reduce fear far more effectively than endlessly preparation. Finally, let's talk about what successful NCA student do differently. Usually, they are not the student who study the longest hour. They are the student who prepare strategically and consistently. Successful student follow structure, study plan, practice IRAC regularly, write answer consistently, plan exam cycle carefully, and focus on long term consistency instead of short term intensity. And this is the most important insight of all. NCA success is not about studying the hardest, it is about preparing in the smartest and most disciplined way possible. That is what create consistent result. Here's the what does NCA primarily test? Option one, memorization. Option two, legal reasoning and application. Option three, handwriting. Option four, speed writing. Comment your answer below, and if your answer is correct, I will personally like your comment. Also, tell me, what do you think is the biggest mistake student make during NCA preparation? Thank you so much, guys, watching for this video. Thousands of lawyers and law graduates dream of becoming a licensed lawyer in Canada. They want to practice in Canadian court, work as a solicitor or barrister, build an international legal career. People from countries like India, Philippines, Singapore, Australia, UK, Europe, and many more apply through the NCA pathway. But here's the reality: most students waste months of time, thousands of dollars in reattempt fees, and a lot of energy because they don't understand how NCA exam actually work. NCA stand for the National Committee on Accreditation. If you complete your law degree outside Canada and want to become a licensed lawyer in Canada, you usually need to complete the NCA process. NCA process includes subject like constitution law, criminal law, administrative law, professional responsibility, foundation of Canadian law, and sometime additional subject depending on your profile. One of the biggest benefit of NCA is that you can build an international legal career and even become a dual licensed lawyer. Our NCA exam preparation program is designed to help students prepare strategically and confidently. Here's what you will get inside the course: 100 hour plus live sessions, weekends live classes, 6 to 8 hour weekly interactive sessions, complete study material, recorded lectures, access IRAC answer writing training, past paper solving, mock test and evaluation, personalized strategy, and mentorship. We don't just teach law, we teach how to think like a Canadian legal professional, how to write high scoring answers, how to approach open book exam properly, how to avoid common mistake like cause failure. Our goal is simple: reduce confusion, improve exam performance, help student avoid unnecessary reattempts. If you are serious about becoming a lawyer in Canada, start with proper strategy and structured preparation from day one. Registration deadline is 30 May. Class start from 15 June. Registration link is available description and comment box. Check the description and comment box for registration.